Hello children, myself Shubhaya Patil Kulkarni. I am going to continue chapter 10 quadratic equations. In that chapter 10.4 exercise, the first main heading is find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. First try to find out what is the nature of the quadratic equations. If the real root exists, then only I have to find them. Okay, the first question is that 10.4 exercise, first question. Okay, first question. First question is 2x square minus 3x plus 5. This is equal to 0. So first I will find out what is the nature of this quadratic equation roots. So for that I will compare with standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A value is 2, b value is minus 3, c value is 5. Okay. Find out what is the value of b square minus 4ac discriminant value. B square minus 4ac value. B square means minus 3 whole square. 4a means 2. C means 5. Substitute the values. Simplify. Minus 3 whole square is plus 9. 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 14. So now I got it. The b square minus 4ac value as minus 31. Okay, I got it. The value of b square minus 4ac, the value of this is less than 0. Here, the value of it implies b square minus 4ac value is less than 0. Means negative value I got it. Then no real root exists. No real roots. So if no real roots, then there is no need to find the roots. Okay? But according to the heading, they gave if the real root exists, then only find them. So here by checking this much only we have come to know no real root exists. So I am not going to find out the roots of this quadratic equation now. Next, the second equation, no real roots exist. Second question is this, that is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4, this is equal to 0. In the same way, children, find the value of a. A value is 3 of, b value is minus 4 root 3, c value is 4. Okay. Then compare, write the discriminant value b square minus 4ac value. B square means minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4, a value is 3, c value is 4. Substitute and simplify now. If I simplify, minus whole square is minus into minus plus. 4 square is 16. 16. Square root of 3 whole square means 3. Because the square root symbol and square it will get cancelled. 3 it remains. Into 3 minus 4 4 is 16. 16 3s are how much? 48. So the 48 minus 48 is 0. So I got the value of, therefore it implies b square minus 4ac value is equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, if the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, which type of roots we are going to get, children? So if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we are going to get the roots, real roots, they are equal. Equal real roots we are going to get when the b square minus 4ac value is 0. exists. Equal real roots exist. So if real root exists, then only we have to find out the value of the roots we have to find out. So by applying formula method, so write the formula now. That is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is the formula. Substitute this in this formula. If you substitute, then x is equal to minus b value is minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac value I can substitute directly here because already I got it. 0 it comes, divided by 2a. 2a value is 3. So now if I find out x is equal to minus into minus plus 4 root 3 plus or minus 0 divided by 6. So here once if you add 2 roots we are going to get, 2 real roots we are going to get. So here is equal to 4 root 3 plus 0 divided by 6 or x is equal to 4 root 3 minus 0 divided by 6. So x is equal to 4 root 3 divided by 6 or x is equal to 4 root 3 divided by 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. X is equal to 2 root 3. Instead of this on the denominator, 3 I can write it in this manner. Root 3 into root 3. If I write it root 3 into root 3, root 3 it cancel. X is equal to 2 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 I can write it. Root 3 get cancel. What is the roots? 2 by root 3 r. Once again same only, x is equal to 2 by root 3. So these are the two equal real roots, children. We are going to get when the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac value is 0. In this way, we have to find out what is the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation. Then we have to find out the roots. If a real root exists, then only we have to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. Write down. Children, in 10.4 exercise, third question. Third question is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 this is equal to 0. So a value is 2, children. In a place 2 is there. So a value is 2. In b place minus 6 is there. B value is minus 6. C value is 3. So then, of course, you have to find the range of the roots. B square minus 4ac. B square means minus 6 whole square minus 4ac, 4a, c value. So minus 6 whole square means minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36. 36 minus 4a, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So now, if I subtract 36, 24, 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 12. It is greater than 0. This value is greater than 0. Therefore, we are going to get, therefore, b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0 means we are going to get real distinct roots. Real distinct roots exist, but real roots exist. Okay, so I have to find out the roots now. If real root exists, then write the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So write the formula equal to minus b means minus of minus 6 plus or minus this value already I simplified. What I got it here? 12 after simplification of b square minus 4ac. I got it 12, so I am writing directly 12. Divided by 2 into a value is 2. Then simplify. X is equal to minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus square root of 12 divided by 4. This I can split it as x is equal to 6 plus or minus 4 into 3 divided by 4. So x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 value is 2. The remaining inside the square root symbol is 3. Then 4. I can take 2 common out of these 2. 2 if I take out common, 2 3s are plus or minus root 3 divided by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore, I will get the roots, 2 distinct real roots are x is equal to 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. X is equal to 3 plus root 3 divided by 2 or x is equal to 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. So these are the two real distinct roots. Okay children? Here I got it b square minus 4ac value as greater than 0. So real root exists but they are distinct. So then by using formula I have to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. Children, write down. Second main in 10.4 exercise, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations. They gave some quadratic equation to you and we have to find out the value of k. So that they have two equal roots. I have to find out the value of k, and they gave already these quadratic equations, they have two equal roots. If they have equal roots means the value of b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So if for this condition we are going to get two real equal roots. So second main question in 10.4 exercise, they gave one quadratic equation to you and you have to find out the value of k when the roots are equal. X square to x square plus kx plus 3, this is equal to 0. A value is 2, B value is k, C value is 3. B square minus 4ac value should be equal to 0 because they have two equal roots. So then condition already is equal to 0. Why I have taken this? They have mentioned in the heading. These equations, quadratic equation, they have two equal real roots. So the condition should satisfy 0. It should be equal to 0. B value is k square minus 4. A value is 2, substitute. C value is 3, substitute. This is equal to 0. K square minus 4 8s are 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Is equal to 0. Then k square is equal to 24, but k is equal to k value I have to find out. K is equal to square root of 20. How I can write it this one? See now we should have a square number 4 into 6. So then k value is 2 root 6. I got the value of k value as 2 root 6. They told first to find out the value of k. They got the value of k when the condition is when they have two real roots, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to square minus 4ac value is equal to 0, then two real equal roots we are going to get when the condition b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. The next second question in this second main is k into x minus 2 plus 6, this is equal to 0. Children, here it is not according to standard form of quadratic equation. So what I will do, I will simplify now. Kx into x multiply kx square plus into minus minus 2 into 2kx plus 6, this is equal to 0. Now it is according to standard form of quadratic equation. If we compare with standard form of quadratic equation, a value is k, b value is minus 2k, c value is 6. C value is 6. Condition b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. b square is minus 2k whole square minus 4, a value is k, c value is 6. Now simplify, minus 2 into minus 2 is 4k square, 6 4s are 24k, this is equal to 0. K is common, you can take out, 4k is common, you can take out as a common factor, k minus 6 is equal to 0. So your two factors are there, children. So I can equalize both to 0. 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Then k is equal to 0 by 4 or k is equal to 6. K value I get it 6. 0 by anything is 0 only. So two answers, two roots I got. K is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. Okay. In this manner, you have to find out the value of k by applying the condition b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is a way of finding the roots. Here finding the value of k. Here in quadratic equation, some term they gave k and we have to find out the value of k when the condition they have equal real roots. We have to remember in our mind, if they have equal real roots, the condition is b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. By applying that condition, we can find out the value of k, children. Write down. Okay? Daily practice maths.